Hey food lovers! Ever wondered what goes on behind the scenes at McDonald's? Today, I'm taking you on a journey through the burger assembly line. First up, it all starts with the bun. These soft, golden buns roll down the conveyor belt, getting a light toast to perfection. Next, the patties, 100% beef, no fillers, are grilled to sizzling perfection on a state-of-the-art grill. The aroma is just irresistible. As the buns and patties come together, it's time for the classic toppings. Crisp lettuce, fresh from the farm, is added with precision. Slices of juicy tomatoes and crunchy pickles follow suit, bringing that familiar McDonald's taste to life. Now here comes the special touch. A dollop of ketchup and mustard, perfectly measured for that balanced flavor. Watch closely as the onions are sprinkled on, adding that final zing. The cheese, oh the cheese, melts just right as it meets the warm patty. With everything in place, the top bun is placed and voila, the burger is complete. But wait, there's more. Each burger goes through a final quality check to ensure it meets McDonald's high standards before it's wrapped and sent off to a restaurant near you. So next time you bite into a McDonald's hamburger, remember the journey it took from the factory to your hands. Deliciously made, just for you. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more behind-the-scenes foodie adventures.